Is your lower back giving you problems? If so, take the spinal movement tolerance test to understand what's going on. Put a pen between your feet, legs straight, now roll your spine down, down, down. Pick up the pen, now roll back up. How does your back feel? Sit in a chair, grab the edges of your seat, gently pull, now stronger, 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 and release. How does your back feel? Put a broomstick over your shoulders, slowly turn to the right, twist, twist, look over your shoulder and twist. How does that feel? Last one, put a block under a pillow on the floor, lie on top of the block pillow. Now 2 blocks, now 3 blocks, now try with a stool. How does that feel on your spine? Hopefully this test will help you identify which movements are causing problems. Remember, never push through back pain. Always work with your body using a 3-pronged approach for a happy back: strength, flexibility, and balance. I'm leading a 21-day Happy Back Challenge. We'll do 15 minutes of corrective exercises together daily. Visit happybackchallenge.com, and I hope to see you in class.